Hi, it's Mandy from Mindset for Success with today's Mindset Matters. Now, today's Mindset Matters was inspired when I was out this morning. I'm slowly getting back into running, so I was out on my run walk and a lady walked past me with her dog, and her dog sat down on the grass and he looked at her as if he was saying, "I am not going anywhere." So she stood there and the dog just looked at her, and it was just so funny. And it made me think about us as humans. How often do we push ourselves to do things? We do all these things that we should do and need to do, but don't really want to do. And sometimes we punish ourselves by not allowing ourselves a short break. So what happens then is that we're actually quite ineffective. We're rushing to do things or forcing ourselves to complete a project, but we're not really often focused on the task, especially when we're telling ourselves, I need to do this or I should do this, and we've got so much to do and there's not enough time, etc. So my suggestion is this: when you're having one of those moments when you're shooting and needing and you're not getting headway on your tasks or the project that you're supposed to be doing, you're losing focus, or you're just feeling tired, then give yourself a short break. It could just be 5 minutes. We're all energy beings, so it's about keeping our energy management in a good state. And sometimes that 5 minutes out can be really helpful. You see, if you change one of these things, either your thinking, your feelings, or your behaviors and environment, you can change the way that you feel. So it could be as simple as going outside for a few moments, stopping what you're doing and simply just being and enjoying the moment. It could be taking 5 minutes to plan something for your weekend, and that will allow you to instantly feel more inspired and motivated. It could be that you just change what you're telling yourself in your head and you refocus. So it can be as simple as taking a few minutes out. Because unfortunately as humans, we generally don't do what this dog does and stop and refuse to go on. And I guess the translation for that is humans, we sometimes throw mini tantrums, or we get frustrated, or we argue with others, which isn't always a great thing to do. So give yourself the gift of taking 5 minutes out to recharge your batteries. And when you do that, you'll be more focused, getting back onto your task. You'll probably be more productive and effective, and you'll feel better. And if you'd like to get some more tips on how you can increase your focus, some strategies for your day so that you can get a laser-like focus, then please come and join me if you're living on the coast on March the 15th. Thursday morning, I'm holding a second workshop, Focus for Results, and I'll put the details below. So have a great day. It's Friday. Enjoy the weekend. I'm going away for a few days to celebrate some dear friends' anniversary, and then my friend and mine's birthday down in Newcastle. So have a great weekend, and remember to take a few minutes out for yourself and recharge your batteries. I guarantee you'll be more productive and you'll feel better, and you'll be in a better mood too. Thank you. It's Mandy from Mindset for Success with today's Mindset Matters.